Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to view and change your location settings for Windows and also for Windows apps, specific apps that is. So just like with your smartphone, your computer will know where you are, and most of the time it gets that from your internet connection from your ISP, your IP address, so that's how it kind of tracks you down. So if you have a desktop computer and for some reason it knows where you are, like when you go to Google Maps and stuff, it's most likely coming from your internet provider. So you could go in there and you could change stuff and disable things. So we're going to show you how to do that right now. So what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and then under privacy and security, look for location. And then location services, you could turn it off altogether if you want, or you could turn it off for all apps, or you could turn it on and off for specific apps. So the apps you see here will vary depending on your computer. This is just a basic Windows installation, so there's not much on it, so there's not a lot of apps on there. And then there's a location history. So if you want to clear it, you could click on that. And if you want to set your default location, you could click on Set Default Location. So it'll open up the Maps app. And then if you want to access your precise location, you could do that to do it, or you could just click on Clear, and then you could click on Change and type in a destination. Let's say we want to go to Las Vegas, Nevada. So then it goes right there, and now that's our default location. And if you don't like it, you could just clear it and set a new default location. Let's say Bellingham, Washington. So just like that. So once again, go to your settings, privacy and security, location, and then if you want to just turn everything off, you could do that. Or if you want to turn it off for apps, you could do that. Or specific apps, clear your location, set your default location, and all that other good stuff. All right, pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.